What's up, everybody? It's IMR back with another video, and this one is mind-blowing. Ever dreamed of creating stunning art without a single brushstroke? Or writing a captivating story in minutes? Well, guess what? The future is here. AI is revolutionizing creativity, and today, we're diving headfirst into this exciting world. We're talking about generative AI, the stuff of science fiction, but now, it's a reality. We've got 3 powerful tools to supercharge your imagination: Midjourney for breathtaking visuals, ChatGPT for ingenious text, and Stable Diffusion for customizable image generation. Get ready to unleash your inner artist, writer, and creator because things are about to get wild. We're gonna break down each tool, show you how to use them, and explore their incredible potential. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's unlock the future of creativity together. First up, we've got Midjourney, the AI art generator that's taking the internet by storm. Imagine this. You type in a few words, a simple description, and boom! Midjourney transforms your text into a stunning piece of art. It's like having a magical paintbrush powered by AI. Now you might be thinking, IMR, this sounds complicated. But trust me, it's easier than you think. To jump into the world of Midjourney, head over to their website, midjourney.com, and click on Join the Beta. This will take you to their Discord server, which is where all the magic happens. Don't worry if you're not familiar with Discord. It's a super user-friendly platform. Once you're in the Discord server, look for the #newbies channel. This channel is like a beginner's guide to Midjourney, with all the instructions you need to get started. It's like having a friendly AI expert guiding you every step of the way. Now here's where the fun begins. In a designated channel, you'll type in the command /imagine followed by your prompt. Let's say you want to create a futuristic cyberpunk city with flying cars and neon lights. You would type /imagine a futuristic cyberpunk city with flying cars and neon lights. Hit enter and watch in amazement as Midjourney's AI goes to work, generating multiple image options based on your description. It's like watching your imagination come to life right before your eyes. But wait, there's more. Midjourney gives you the power to refine and customize your creations. If you see an image you like but want it in higher resolution, simply click the U button to upscale it. This will give you a larger, more detailed version of your masterpiece. And if you're feeling adventurous and want to explore different variations of an image, hit the V button. Midjourney will generate new images based on the original, each with its own unique twist. It's like having an endless supply of creative inspiration at your fingertips. Now, here are some pro tips to get the most out of Midjourney. First, be specific with your prompts. The more details you provide, the more accurate and impressive your results will be. It's like giving clear instructions to your AI art assistant. Second, don't be afraid to experiment with different art styles. Midjourney can generate images in a wide range of styles, from photorealism to abstract art. You can even specify famous artists or art movements in your prompts to influence the style of your creations. Third, try using negative prompts. This tells Midjourney what you don't want to see in your images, giving you more control over the final result. For example, if you don't want any humans in your cyberpunk city, you can add no humans to your prompt. And finally, don't underestimate the power of the Midjourney community. There's a whole world of talented creators on the Discord server, sharing their work, exchanging ideas, and offering support. It's like being part of a global art collective, all powered by the magic of AI. Next up, we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's changing the game for writers, students, and anyone who loves to play with words. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that can generate stories, write poems, translate languages, and answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. That's the power of ChatGPT. Getting started with ChatGPT is as easy as pie. Just head over to the OpenAI website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a sleek and user-friendly chat interface. Now here's where the magic happens. In the chat box, you can type in any prompt or question you can think of. Let's say you want to write a poem about a lonely robot exploring a distant planet. Simply type in, write a poem about a lonely robot exploring a distant planet. Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT's AI brain gets to work, crafting a unique and imaginative poem based on your prompt. It's like having a personal poet on demand, ready to weave words into captivating verses. But ChatGPT's talents don't stop there. This AI wordsmith can generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc., and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. It's like having a walking encyclopedia at your fingertips, ready to provide insightful answers and engage in thought-provoking conversations. Now here's the key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential. Be specific with your prompts. The more context and details you provide, the more accurate and impressive ChatGPT's responses will be. It's like giving clear instructions to your AI writing assistant. Don't be afraid to experiment with different phrasing and sentence structures. ChatGPT is incredibly versatile and can adapt its writing style to match your specific needs. It's like having a master wordsmith at your disposal, ready to mold language to your will. Another cool feature of ChatGPT is its role-playing capabilities. You can ask it to assume different personas like a historical figure, a fictional character, or even a talking animal. This can add a fun and engaging twist to your interactions and spark new creative ideas. And finally, remember that ChatGPT is a powerful tool for brainstorming and generating ideas. If you're feeling stuck or uninspired, just start typing your thoughts into the chat box. ChatGPT can help you explore different perspectives, develop your ideas further, and overcome writer's block. Chapter 3: Stable Diffusion. Generate high-quality images with AI. Last but not least, we're diving into the world of Stable Diffusion, the open-source text-to-image model that's making waves in the AI art scene. Imagine typing in a few words and watching in awe as Stable Diffusion generates highly detailed, customizable images based on your description. It's like having a magic photorealistic paintbrush at your fingertips. Now you might be thinking, IMR, this sounds complicated. But fear not, my friend, because Stable Diffusion is surprisingly user-friendly. There are several platforms where you can access and experiment with this powerful AI tool. One popular option is Hugging Face, a website that hosts a wide range of AI models, including Stable Diffusion. They offer a free and easy-to-use interface where you can type in your prompts and generate stunning images in seconds. Another great option is Dream Studio, a web-based platform specifically designed for Stable Diffusion. Dream Studio offers a more advanced and customizable experience, allowing you to fine-tune your image generation process with various settings and parameters. No matter which platform you choose, the process of using Stable Diffusion is relatively straightforward. Simply type your prompt into the designated text box, describing the image you have in mind. For example, you could type, "A futuristic cyberpunk city with flying cars and neon lights in the style of Blade Runner." Hit enter and watch in amazement as Stable Diffusion's AI algorithms get to work, transforming your words into a visually stunning masterpiece. It's like watching your imagination come to life on the screen. But here's where Stable Diffusion truly shines: its customization options. Unlike other text-to-image models, Stable Diffusion allows you to fine-tune your image generation process with incredible precision. You can adjust settings like image size, aspect ratio, and the number of images to generate. You can also tweak parameters that control the level of detail, the overall style, and even the color palette of your images. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even upload your own images to use as a starting point for Stable Diffusion's AI magic. This allows you to blend your own creativity with the power of AI, resulting in truly unique and personalized artwork. The key to mastering Stable Diffusion is experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different prompts, tweak the settings, and explore the vast array of customization options available. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover the incredible potential of this powerful AI tool. And there you have it, folks. We've explored 3 incredible AI tools that can unlock your creativity and revolutionize the way you create art, write stories, and generate ideas. From Midjourney's stunning visuals to ChatGPT's eloquent prose and Stable Diffusion's customizable image generation, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, experiment with these amazing tools, and unleash your inner creator. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing AI tool tutorials. Happy creating!